All right, welcome to my new Model Y. Literally just got 14.2.2.5. I've been stuck on 13.2. something for a while now. I think it was .5 for a while now, ever since I got it. So I'm extremely happy to finally have 14. So I am ready to go. What I'm going to do is do a quick drive, and we'll see what the differences are between it and the Cybertruck. So we're going to go there. And it should start going. So like I said, this isn't my first drive using full self-driving in the Model Y, but it's my first drive with this new software. So we'll see how well it does. As per usual, I'm not going to touch anything. If I had a phone, I'd play with it because I want to know if it's going to yell at me for that. You should be able to see my feet, so you can see if I touch the gas pedal or the brake pedal. And what we'll do is, in order to avoid the boring parts, I will probably add music. Might even fast forward a couple of places. But I won't cut anything out. We are in Podunk, Texas, so there's nothing mapped here. You know, I agree that it needs to clean the windshield, but you would think it would use a little washer fluid, right? If I clean the window, does that count? I just got the windows tinted, and so the car's still dirty from the windows tinted, because they tinted the visor up top, so the windshield's still dirty. I put roof racks on it. The interesting thing was, as I was going to get this thing in position, the roof racks were making a noise. So I'm hoping that the wind noise isn't indicative of having roof racks on. Otherwise, it's been a good, quiet car. I'm pretty happy with it. It's the 2020. It is literally made in January 2026. It does have the black top interior, and it looks really nice. It's really clean. The white seats really pop. I've added a few more white trim pieces. I've got a couple more white trim pieces on the way. But all right, so we come up here. This is the, okay, there's a car coming. This is the road construction, but there's barrels all over the place here. And it is confusing. But the Cybertruck did all of this just fine. So hopefully this car will do everything just fine. Ooh, there's that wind noise. You know what it could be? It could be the Starlink. I've got the Starlink up there. Might have to take that off and see how well it does without it. Anyway, you probably don't want to listen to it any more than I do, so I'll shut up and turn on the music. right, well, had a phone call, so you didn't get to see the end result. But it parked okay. Take it to the DG Market and you can see it parked there. Get in your lane. Okay. That is very confusing there. This whole area here is very confusing right now. Last time the truck tried doing this, it didn't make it, but the car did a good job. It's actually in between the spots. I guess it's faded that way a little bit, but not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, let's go one more spot and then call it a day. All right, that was extremely uneventful. Most exciting thing that happened is I took a phone call and killed my camera. Other than that, I didn't do anything. I just sat here, which was exactly what I wanted to do. So that'll do it for this video. I know it was a short one, especially if after I got a phone call. Stay tuned for the next unboxing of a bike, and that'll be it. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it, and we will talk to you later. Thanks.